Hello and welcome to Umbraco Learning Base, Jonathan here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use compositions in Umbraco to reuse properties on your Umbraco website in your different document types. Great, let's get started. Okay, as you can see here I'm on my website and up here we have a banner that says welcome. This is a static title and below here is a subparagraph. If we look at some of the other pages, we can see that it says the same thing on all our pages. This means that the text here is static and will not change based on our page. However, with compositions, we can make this text dynamic for each of the pages that we are on. Awesome. So to do this, first we need to go to the back office over here and we need to go to the settings section. Over here, you can see my document types. And what I need to do is I right click on these three dots and we can click create. First, let's create a folder that's going to hold our compositions. So let's write compositions here and click create. Next up, we can right click on the three dots again and click create. And here we have a few options. We are going to choose compositions down here. And now we can create our composition. Let's call this one banner composition. Awesome. Once we've given that name, let's go ahead and give it a group. Let's call this banner. Let's go ahead and add a property. First, let's give it a name. Call this banner title. Select an editor. In this case, we're going to use a text box. Select the text box and submit it. Next up, we're going to add a property for our subparagraph. Let's call this subparagraph. Awesome. Select an editor. In this case, we can use a text area. So let's take the text area here and submit it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save it. So now we can see our composition over here. Great. So the next step is that we need to add these compositions to some of our document types. So let's go ahead and add it to a few of them. So let's add it to the home page here. Go up and click on composition and let's choose it down here. We submit it and now we can see our composition here and it inherits from the banner composition. Let's add it to our, remember to save it. Add it to our contact page. Submit it, save. And let's also add it to our content pages as well, just to add it to a few. Submit it and save it. Awesome. Now that we've added it, we now need to go to our master template down here, because now we need to add the dynamic code. Now we need to add the code that makes the website dynamic. As you can see down here, we have a div class with a Jumbotron in it. It has an h1 and a p tag. So what we need to do is we need to remove this static text here, and we can go up here and click insert value, and we can choose a field. In this field, we need to find banner title, this one, and submit it. And we need to do the same for the subparagraph as well. Click insert and value and find the custom field called subparagraph. Down here, submit it and save it. Awesome. So far so good. Let's now go to our content section. And as we can see on my home node here, I have the banner title and the subparagraph. Let's just give it a bit of text. Let's go ahead and save and publish it. And we can do the same for the other pages as well. Awesome. Save and publish it. And now if we go to our front end over here and refresh the page, we can now see that the text changes to the one we just entered in our content nodes. If we go back here, we'll see the same for our home page, about us, and our contact page as well. Awesome. Great. So now I've shown you how you can use compositions to reuse properties on your different document types in your Umbraco project. This is all I have for you in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more awesome videos from us, and I'll see you in the next one.